Leaks has started to paint a clear picture for what we can expect from upcoming Samsung One UI 6.1 update. Picture seems to be created by artificial intelligence. The update will debut with Samsung Galaxy S24 expected next month, and will bring a slew of new AI features including Pixel AI wallpaper to Galaxy phones. Now new details have emerged. Tipster Bennett has spilled the beans of One UI 6.1. A list of new AI features exclusive to the S24 series has surfaced on X. It looks like it'll have an enhanced low light performance, reduced graininess, and improved stability and exposure for videos. They will do something what Google is doing, but maybe on the phone itself. The tipster suggested that S24 users will have the power to erase subjects from video with a simple selection. AI takes rain, processes the entire video to make the subject disappear. Similar to the recent introduction of Snapchat Plus, users will be able to zoom out and expand image borders using AI. There's one extra scope. The tipster hints that AI will summarize your calls by extracting crucial information from the call. Post-call AI will step in to process everything mentioned, suggesting actions like adding items to your calendar, to-do list, addressing other points discussed in the call. It remains to be seen whether it will be performed on the device or will it take place in the cloud. Samsung has set to amp up its keyboard with One UI 6.1. Users will get the power to tweak the tone of the text and enjoy automatic translation between languages. Leaks will be coming out soon. Already 90% of the phone has been leaked out. It's turning out to be a very interesting phone, except for one that you will get a Exynos variant for the S24 and S24 Plus.